Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Got an update here from Carnival. The Carnival Corporation has updated everyone regarding the Carnival Vista cruise ship. This ship has been having engine problems for over 2 weeks, and the word is out that she'll finish her last sailing on July the 9th. That will be an 8-day sailing. That was supposed to once be a 7-day sailing. They will then take the ship to Freeport in the Bahamas, where they're going to work on the azipods. The problem with the Vista is the bearings in the azipods have been failing. This engine is only 3 years old. This is unbelievable. These things cost a fortune, but they allow cruise ships not to use tugboats most of the time. In any event, the ship will work its way to Freeport in the Bahamas, where there's a dry dock. Here's a photo here of a ship in the dry dock in the past. The problem with the Grand Bahama Shipyard is this is where they had the accident with the Royal Caribbean Oasis of the Seas. On the bottom there, that dry dock on the very bottom is the one that gave way and the ship listed inside that thing. That dry dock is being repaired. That's number 2. So it looks like they're going to take the ship and put her into number 3, from what I can tell you, get her out of the water, work on the azipods, and have her back in service July 27th, 2019. This is costing Carnival an absolute fortune in lost business, repairs, reputation, credits, and everything else, but it has to be done. Join me Monday to Friday, 5 o'clock Eastern, Saturdays at 2 Eastern. We talk cruise ships live on my channel 6 days a week. Subscribe to my channel today and get the latest updates by hitting that bell notification icon. Throw this video a thumbs up if you found it informative, and we'll talk to you later. Bye for now.